Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix.
बस ये टर्न नहीं लगता.
Right guys, I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. If you look at the temperature, it's 67 Celsius. They've got hot water, sorry, but no heating. So we're gonna diagnose that and repair that today. Now this is gonna be a short video, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, I've got the hot water tap open, and if you look at the display, the central heating is flashing. So we're gonna have to sort that out, and they've got no heating. Now it looks like it's got multiple faults on this boiler does. We're gonna sort that out in this video. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, South Birmingham, give us a call. We repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Baxi, Wocesterbosch, and many more. We also do commercial catering now, so if you got a chip shop and you got any problems with your gas related or ventilation, give us a call. We'll sort it out for you. We also offer landlord gas safety certificates and commercial catering certificates. So guys, this one's sorted, yeah? Look now, if I open the tap, right, and look, that's working fine. Hot water's working fine. The reason that was is because this turbine was faulty on it. But having said that, remember the temperature was on 70, 80 Celsius? That's this baby here. Let me switch the water off. I know it's kind of hassy you go into rental properties. Now this baby here, see this? It's connected like that. Like that. So the last engineer came in, he connected it like that, wrong way around. And I've sorted the wiring out, put it back into proper position. So that's in position. Now that's all working fine. The central heating is coming, you can see the light flashing. The central heating is coming on. Water's going in the right directions now. And do you see that turbine there? That's what I changed. Because it wasn't sensing any heating of hot water. When I changed that, pulled it out, look, it's broken. Okay. Now this boiler is working fine now. Now there are other installation related issues on this boiler. We're going to get the landlord to get them sorted out. Guys, sorted this one out. It's all working fine now. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.